today I got a new gift over 3 months ago and I haven't opened it yet. So today I'm going to be opening it in front of you guys. This is a slime set, Slime Lab, inspiring STEM career through play. Yeah, so the things that are written here are make your own fantastic yucky slime. The Slime Lab kit includes everything you need to make your very own slime. Experiment with neon and glitter slime. Mix and match or keep it simple. It's up to you. Make it your own way. It's ooey gooey stretchy fun. A young scientist kit to encourage early STEM learning and scientific thinking while having fun. It's open and now let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the manual of how to make the slime. 2 packs of glue. You can use this for crafts if you want. This normal glue. Activator, some droppers. Whoa, we have droppers. A spoon, some glitter, and ice cream sticks. This thing, I don't know what this is called, but you put water in it because sometimes it's in 100 ml, sometimes 80 ml, sometimes 60 ml. So you put it in this. 2 storage cups and 3 mixing cups. Also some paint. Okay guys, so now we're going to be making a slime. Yeah, so these are all the ingredients that you will need. If you do not put the color, if you do not put the paint, then it will become transparent, or this is yellow glue, so it might become yellow. I'm not sure. It might be yellowish. And this is the slime, the activator. I don't understand why. In the last pack, I didn't have droppers. How come they're giving us droppers now? Okay, so first let's just get everything out of the packet. Now, when we got out the activator and stuff, now we're going to take out the glue. Now we're going to take out the... Actually, we don't have to take out the paint. Otherwise, it might spill. So, now get your mixing bowls ready. So, we won't need all of this. So, let's remove the stuff that we won't need. Because first, we need one of the mixing bowls. Okay, step 1, mixing bowl 1, make borax solution. We have to make something called borax solution. Okay, pour 100 ml of tap water. So we're gonna need water. Can I get some water, please? Okay, thank you for the water. Now we're gonna need 100 ml of the water. Okay. I think I got a teeny drop more. 1 drop more or something. No, it's perfect. Okay. Pour 100 ml of tap water and warm it for 30 seconds in the microwave. Okay guys, so step 2. Put this. Step 2 of step 1. Put this in the mixing bowl. Right now we're making something to do with the activator. Okay, so now put warm water in the plastic bowl. We just did that. Mixing bowl from kit. And add 2 GMs. What's a GM? Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 grams of this. The slime activator or borax powder, whatever you want to call it. In the set it's written borax powder. Okay. Wait. In the bowl. So 1 gram. 2 gram. Okay guys, so we put in 2 gram and now stir the mixture fast using the spoon. Okay. For approx 3 minutes. So please mix this for 3 minutes. We're done. And I think our borax solution is ready. So after that, so that the borax dissolves in the water properly. Now keep the solution untouched for 30 minutes and let it cool down to room temperature. So we don't have to touch this. So we're gonna keep this aside and now go on with the glue solution. Okay. Step 2, mixing bowl 2. Pour 10 ml glue. Okay, I don't really know what 10 ml. We should put it from here. Okay. Nearly there. Yes. I think we should put a bit more. It's only touched the line of 10 ml. Okay. I think this is enough. Okay. Put 10 ml glue, slime glue in the measuring beaker. Now add 20 ml tap water. Here's our water. 20 ml. It's right below 40. I think this is good. Okay. Now at 20 ml in the measuring beaker, total solution in the beaker is now 30 ml including glue. Now stir the slime glue and water. So here's a spoon right here. Fast for 30 seconds with wooden spoon. By wooden spoon, they mean the ice cream sticks. Okay, this is just a warning. Stir with ice cream sticks. Put a spoon and pour this solution in plastic bowl 2 or mixing bowl 2. But first we have to mix this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so now keep this solution untouched for 30 minutes. Your glue solution is ready. Okay guys, now we have to put it in mixing bowl 2. And now keep this untouched for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, both our borax solution and glue solution will be ready. So it's been 30 minutes and now before we do the stuff, I'm just going to put in some glitter. Oh. I think I'm supposed to take it with the dropper. Yeah, I'm supposed to take it with the dropper. So just spread it out with I said don't give it. So follow step 1 and step 2 of making borax and glue solution. Step 1 and step 2 in your mixing bowls. Okay. So step 3. This is where we make the actual slime. Add 8 ml borax solution from mixing bowl 1 to glue solution mixing bowl 2. So we're not going to use this dropper. This one has glue in it, the glitter in it. Sorry. Okay, so this is 3 plus 2.5 is 5.5. Now plus 3, need a bit more. Plus 3 is 8. Okay, so now we have to While you are adding borax, keep stirring the mix fast. Okay, so we've already done that, so now we're just gonna mix it fast. Oh wait, it's forming. It's starting to form. It's starting to form, guys. Whoa. It's starting to form. Okay guys, it's starting to form. It's starting to form. Whoa. It's a bit sticky still. But it's actually a really cool way to, make slime. So when I did it in my first set, it failed because I didn't make the solutions. I thought like, oh, why waste time making solutions when you can just put them in normally? That's why it failed. But now I put in the solutions and made it, and it's working. I'm not going to put this as an experiment. No, this won't be an experiment. This is the normal video. Okay, we should put in a little bit more activator. Because activator makes the thing less sticky. Good. This should do it. Yeah, now it's working really well. Okay guys, so also the rest of the things are written while you are adding borax. Keep taking the mix fast with wooden spoon. Slime will start forming. Separate liquid from the bowl if any left at the end. Leave the slime for 15 minutes to rest. Your slime is ready. Play with it. I'm going to keep on adding a bit more. There's no liquid left. Okay? Not for us. Okay, so the slime is ready. You just have to leave it for 15 minutes. Even if you don't want to, you don't have to. All you have to do is just, just mix more for 15 minutes, but gently. But we're gonna wait because I want to follow the instructions. Everything that's written, I'm gonna follow it the exact same way. So yeah, guys, we're gonna come back after 15 minutes. Result. Whoa. The slime is a success. Oh no. Oh no, this is sticky. It's sticky. Help. I need activator. I'm just going to use this activator. I have some activator over here. I kept it for this emergency. This emergency always happens with me. If you want the slime to be better, just take some activator on your hands, then take the slime. That's what I'm doing to help my hands. Okay, it's starting to get a bit less sticky. Whoa. This slime is cool. So yeah guys, it's a success. And help my hands. Please. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to help my hands. And yeah, bye.